For quite a few years, crypto market experts have been burning the midnight oil to produce a digital asset, the largest cryptocurrency that would be a one-stop solution for addressing all matters concerning scalability, intertradability, and power. All the hurdles and imaginative eccentricities surrounding cryptocurrencies were put to rest when Charles Hoskinson coined Cardano ADA. So without further ado, let's review the Cardano ADA, perform Cardano price analysis, and make the token price prediction in this particular video. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is Cardano? Cardano is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. It's designed to be a next-gen evolution of the Ethereum idea, with a blockchain that's a flexible, sustainable, and scalable platform for running smart contracts, which will allow the development of a wide range of decentralized finance apps, new crypto tokens, games, and more. As of March 2021, however, smart contract functionality has yet to be rolled out by developers. An upgrade scheduled for the second quarter of 2021 will unlock smart contract features, bringing Cardano one step closer to its goal of providing developers with a blockchain platform that is robust, secure, scalable, and highly energy efficient. Much like the Ethereum blockchain's native cryptocurrency is ETH, the Cardano blockchain's native cryptocurrency is ADA, which can be bought or sold via exchanges like Coinbase. Today, ADA can be used to store value, perhaps as part of your investment portfolio, to send and receive payments, and for staking and paying transaction fees on the Cardano network. Let us have a look at some of its unique features. Number 1. Backed by a dedicated team of professionals burning the midnight oil to ensure the mechanism of Cardano is tailor-made to suit investor needs. Number 2. A 24/7 round-the-clock chat and email support ensure investors always enjoy the requisite hand-holding while carrying out any transactions. Number 3. Setting higher user benchmarks. This cryptocurrency market aims to generate tangible earnings for all its investors. Number 4, being an open-source code software, the functionality of Cardano operates on crystal-clear transparency as well as transaction confidentiality in the network. It will provide unparalleled security to apps and societies. Number 5, the zero-disclosure evidence puts the power in the hands of the ultimate user, facilitating the entire transaction procedure's mathematical consistency. Number 6, the mechanism of the Cardano blockchain is so conceptualized that it ensures lightning-fast speed of transactions on the network. Number 7. Cardano can trap fraudulent or spurious transactions by peers wherein a confirmed block is capable of tracing the preceding block. Number 8. ADA owners have the advantage of earning rewards by sharing their stake to a stake pool run by others, or they can run their own stake pool. Now, let's see. Cardano technical analysis. Cardano is the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Cardano's native token, ADA, has a huge market cap of $16,072,554,158. The growth is mainly due to the boost in its use cases. Recently, the Cardano network has announced yet another upgrade to make the transactions smooth and easy. However, the year 2022 has not been so great for most cryptocurrencies, including the Crypto King. ADA's price for the last 7 days has been trading from $0.45 to $0.523. The Cardano price has managed to hold strong support of $0.40. However, after ADA price hit $1.60 in January, it was trading at lower levels. Then, it had a significant recovery showing quite a bullish pattern boosted by strong growth despite the adverse market trends from mid-March. After breaching the $1.20 mark, the price of Cardano faced a significant correction and fell below $1. Now finally, what you were waiting for. Cardano Price Predictions 2023. Crypto Predictions is a prediction website that provides daily, weekly, and monthly predictions for over 15,000 cryptocurrencies, including Cardano. This website has a system that automatically scans historical market data and past exchange rates of crypto coins to predict future price development. This is otherwise known as automated technical analysis. In the first quarter of 2023, Cardano is predicted to reach a maximum price of $0.6238 and a minimum price of $0.4094. According to Crypto Predictions, in the second quarter of 2023, we should see a slightly lower maximum price of $0.5868 and a minimum price of $0.3709. In July 2023, the predicted average price of Cardano is $0.4134 with a 14% change in price from the maximum and minimum price of the month. In August, we are expecting a 13% change in Cardano price. The months of July and August are predicted to be the most stable months for Cardano, as they will have the lowest price change percentage in the year 2023. In September 2023, it is predicted that Cardano will have a minimum price of $0.3723 and a maximum price of $0.5476. The last quarter of 2023 looks interesting as the month of December is predicted to have the highest price change percentage of 42% with a maximum price of $0.6391 and minimum price of $0.4346. It is important to note that predictions are not meant to be financial advice, and as a crypto investor, you are advised to do your own research before buying, selling, or trading any cryptocurrency. The drivers of Cardano's future growth, its use cases. Since you are currently watching about price predictions for Cardano in 2023, it shows you are a smart crypto investor. Also, smart crypto investors love to invest in crypto coins with a real use case and sensible ongoing projects. Here is where we would like to show you the use cases of Cardano that are likely to drive its future growth. Cardano is built to solve real problems across different industries such as education, retail, agriculture, government, finance, and healthcare. Reissuing lost or damaged academic certifications can be a very difficult process, especially if the originating educational institution no longer exists. Hence, the birth of Atala Prism, which is an ID and credentials project built on the Cardano blockchain that secures academic certifications for both students and verifying institutions. Also, counterfeit goods are a common retail problem that Cardano aims to solve, as anti-counterfeit initiatives are costly and lengthy with little control effect over the trade of counterfeit goods. Atala Scan is Cardano's solution to this retail problem. It uses blockchain technology to certify that the products sold are original. This solution is particularly important to the healthcare sector as counterfeit medications are a big threat to society. In addition, the blockchain is trusted for its transparency, and Cardano aims to apply this to the agriculture industry using projects like Atala Trace and Emergo's solution for traceability in the industry's supply chain. Atala Prism is another Cardano solution that provides a digital identity service aimed at correcting the strong dependence on third-party agencies to verify identity documents. This identity verification solution is also aimed at the finance sector as a solution to accelerate the process of accepting new clients. Conclusion on Cardano price predictions for 2023. It is totally okay to wonder about the price prediction of any of your favorite crypto coins. You are not alone. When thinking about Cardano, be assured that this crypto coin is a promising one with great use cases and a likely bright future. Also, since crypto is a relatively new financial market when compared to the forex or stock market, it is very normal to see massive differences in a coin's price within a 12-month period or longer. You should note that crypto investment is mostly a long-term strategy that could span over some years. On the other hand, crypto traders could take profits daily, weekly, or monthly depending on their trading style. We've shown you the price predictions of Cardano in 2023. It is time for you to do your own research to make the best decision that fits your unique financial situation. May the markets be in your favor. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.